So you really want to think about, why am I giving to this dog? Is there a purpose behind it? What is the purpose, right? And that will make more sense to the dog.
Yes.
So he gives me sustained eye contact. I mark. I go get his treat. No rush. It's okay.
Yes.
Okay, so he knows the food's not on me. The overriding goal is to build mental endurance. If you see the dog start to get flat at a certain point in the chain, that is information. It's information that tells you this is your dog's threshold. Keep mixing it up. Don't always do everything the same way just because that's how you were taught or that's how everybody does it. Doesn't mean it's the best way. The best way is to be creative and mix it up and challenge yourself a little bit, even if it puts you outside your comfort zone.